Balding is a typical issue these days. As hair is viewed as a resource that improves one's actual appearance, going bald or diminishing hair is an issue that many need to right at the earliest opportunity. A portion of the normal variables adding to diminishing hair are over the top physical or profound pressure, hormonal irregular characteristics, wholesome inadequacies, contamination, sensitivities, utilization of wrong hair care items, unfortunate hair care schedule, and heredity. Assuming you have diminishing hair, there is a compelling reason to burn through cash on costly medicines and items. There are numerous regular solutions to assist you with getting thicker and voluminous hair. The following are 4 phenomenal home solutions for thickening your hair normally. 1. Eggs. Ordinary protein treatment is fundamental to appreciate more grounded and thicker hair. For a protein hair treatment, the best fixing is eggs. Take a couple of eggs, contingent upon the length of your hair, and beat it appropriately. Apply the egg to wet hair and permit it to sit for around 30 minutes. Wash your hair with tepid water and cleanser. You can utilize this protein treatment on more than one occasion per week. Another choice is to combine 1 egg yolk, 1 tablespoon of a hair oil of your decision, and 2 tablespoons of water. Utilize this combination to completely knead your scalp. Follow this cure once per week to appreciate thicker hair. 2. Castor oil. Kneading your scalp routinely with cold squeezed castor oil is one of the most straightforward ways of getting thicker hair normally. Because of its high thickness, it covers the hair completely and safeguards against hair fall. This oil has high measures of vitamin E and unsaturated fats that advance hair development. Heat a combination of equivalent pieces of castor oil and coconut oil. Essentially, utilizing castor oil will likewise work, yet it will in general be excessively thick. Apply it on your head and scalp and back, rub in round movements. Brush your hair to disperse the oil and eliminate tangles. Cover your hair with a towel saturated with warm water. Leave it on for no less than 1 hour and afterward clean your hair, not surprisingly. Do this once per week to appreciate shiny and thick hair. 3. Avocado. Avocado can likewise be utilized to get thicker hair as it saturates and thickens the hair. Vitamin E present in the natural product adds to the general hair well-being. Make a combination of 1 pounded avocado, 1 crushed banana, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Knead it on your scalp and leave the blend on your hair for around 30 minutes so the supplements are consumed by the scalp. At long last, wash it out and cleanse your hair. You can likewise make a hydrating hair cover by blending 2 tablespoons of wheat germ oil with half of a ready crushed avocado. Apply this hair veil on newly shampooed hair and permit it to sit for no less than 20 minutes. Wash your hair completely and afterward cleanse your hair. Use both of these avocado hair covers 1 time per week. 4. Olive oil. Olive oil will likewise assist with thickening your hair. Knead your hair and scalp with warm olive oil and leave it on for somewhere around 30 to 45 minutes. Flush it out completely and wash your hair utilizing a gentle cleanser. You can likewise leave the oil on your hair short-term and afterward cleanse your hair the following morning. Another choice is to blend olive oil in with some honey and apply the combination to your hair. Leave it on for somewhere around 30 minutes and afterward wash your hair. Use either of these cures on more than 1 occasion per week. Revitalize your hair with these 4 natural remedies. Like, share, and subscribe for more beauty hacks. Comment below on your favorite remedy or share your own tips. Here's to healthier, thicker hair. Stay fabulous.